Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study replace option. This option we will study. So what is the use of replace option? With the help of this option we can replace a word present in the text or in a document. So how will use this option? First of all, suppose I want to replace this Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is the state name and it is by mistake written in small case. I want to write it's in uppercase, means we have to convert its first letter in uppercase. So for this we will write like this, Uttarakhand, or we can do it like this also. I will double click on it to select it and click here. I will double click on it and select and again go to find and replace. It is automatically will be here. Now if I want to replace it first letter in capital case, I will select it and write here and convert its first letter in uppercase. Now simply I will click on replace button. So we can look here, its first letter is converted to uppercase. And if I want to do all changes in a single click, I will click on replace button. Word has reached the end of document. 5 replacements were made. Do you want to continue searching at the beginning? Yes. Okay. So with the help of single command, all small case Uttarakhand has been converted to uppercase. So like this we can convert or replace a word or its first letter or any type of changes that we want to make with the text. We can do with the help of replace command. We can open this command with the help of Control F key by pressing on replace tab. Control F is the shortcut key for find, and along find we can find replacement. Now second thing is this, here is Dehradun. It is city name. If I want to convert its first capital into first letter into capital case, the same thing we will do. I will write Dehradun, same spelling here, and here I will write Dehradun with capital D and I will say replace. We can look here, it is replace, or as soon as I will click on replace all occurrence of small Dehradun will be converted to capital D, Dehradun. So like this we can replace a word. Now if I want to replace all Uttarakhand with UK, so I will select this word and here I will write like this. I want to write UK in place of Uttarakhand. So I will say replace and we can look here, Uttarakhand has been replaced with UK. As soon as we will click on replace all Uttarakhand will be replaced by UK command. UK word. Like this we can replace a word with some other words from a document. So it is very useful command with which we can convert a word with the help of another word. We can replace according to our choice. Now if I want to convert this letter Himalayas, for this I will write Himalayas and here I will write Himalayas with capital letter because Himalayas is the name of mountain. As soon as I will click on replace all, on a single click all small case Himalayas will be converted to uppercase. We can convert complete Himalayas to the uppercase also, like if I copy this word and paste here and write here uppercase Himalayas like this. So all small case Himalayas will be replaced by uppercase like this. So these are the use of replace command. One more thing is this document contain multiple paragraphs. If I want to remove all these paragraphs and want to convert all data in single paragraph, we can look here, all these are paragraphs 1 2 3. If I want to remove all these paragraphs and want to convert this entire document in single paragraph, for this I will put my cursor here, click Ctrl F and will click on replace button. Now I will go to more option and here I will say paragraph marks. So paragraph marks is here. Now I want to replace it with backspace means I want to delete this paragraph marks. For this I will click backspace key from keyboard. Yet it do not shown over here, but it will work. I will click on replace, again replace. We can look here, it is converted to, or it is paragraph marks has been deleted and it is converted by backspace. As soon as I will click replace all paragraph marks will be deleted and entire document will converted to single paragraph. We can look here, it is here is single paragraph marks means this entire document is converted to single paragraph. So these are the use of replace command that we can use. We can use this command with various in various ways. It's up to you how you want to use this command. It is very helpful command. I think this tutorial or this video will be more helpful for you, and you will come to know how we can use replace command. But still then, if you have some difficulty or feel some problem, you can ask me through comment. And if this video or this tutorial seems to you helpful, you can like this video and can share this video, and you can subscribe my channel for more videos or to see more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching.